in.
This?
Uh-huh.
Hurry, put them in.
No, he wants to draw. You want to draw a picture?
Draw a baseball.
Baseball?
Baseball.
Baseball?
Draw a baseball.
A baseball? Oh, boy. Let's draw a car. Should we draw a car? Yeah, that's how it goes. Let's draw a car. Should we draw a Thunderbird?
This?
Let's draw a car. I'm going to draw a car. Okay?
Jackson, where's great grandma?
Get the wheels.
Where is she?
And then we're going to put the body on it. The hell out of me how to draw a car.
Oh, come on. It's a hatchback.
Oh, we'll put a top on it. Put a steering wheel in there. And put headlights.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
There's a car. You want to drive it?
Yep.
Okay.
Jackson, how do you laugh? How do you laugh? How do you laugh?
How's the dog go?